Mehrabun, speaking of diluting equity, finally a successful placement in the market done by the Godrej Group. I'm talking about Godrej Properties. There was a bit of a worry because even Wipro couldn't sell the stock it was trying to sell in that auction earlier this month. But Godrej Properties has been successful. Do you like the company at all? Some people say, it's so-called one of the clean real estate players around. But would you have an exposure? Would you want an exposure?
I agree with the view of those people who are saying it's a clean company. I think it's one of the better companies definitely in the real estate segment. And if somebody puts a gun on my head and says you have to buy some real estate stock, I think in the top 3 picks could be Godrej Properties. The others being a company called Ashiana Housing, which has virtually no debt in the books. And another company would be New Standard Engineering, the company which owns the property at Goregaon, where the trade exhibitions take place. I think these 3 are very clean names in the entire real estate space. Sadly, I think whenever we discuss real estate, we end up discussing possibly an HDL, a DLF, a Unitech, and they would be big names in their own ways. But somehow they have got a lot of strain on the balance sheet. Quite a few of these managements are trying to reduce their debt by selling off certain land and certain property which they own. But if you ask me clean names, I think Godrej Properties will definitely come in my top 3 picks.
Okay, well, we're on the subject of Godrej Properties and their successful placement of equity. Let's hear out the Godrej management talk about what they'll do with the money.
This does bring down the promoter holding to the 75% targeted level, which is what the initial goal of the IPP was. So we've been successful in achieving that. We issue fresh capital of about 8.79%. So the current shareholders have been diluted to that extent.
Right. Well, that was, of course.
Samina.
Okay, well, we've quickly, Mehrabun, I just want to get a take from you on what's happening in the aviation sector.